Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Passive Income 101. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can do affiliate marketing using Pinterest and totally for free. Pinterest is a very underrated platform guys. Like Google, people actually search for products that they want to buy, and if they come across your pin and go to your blog or landing page and buy the product that you're trying to promote, you can get commissions. So here's a little document and I want to show you and explain to you how this video is going to work, what I'm going to actually teach you. So you create a Pinterest account and then post pins on your Pinterest account and gain followers, okay? And then link your pins to your landing page. So like professionals use blogs, so you have to write long articles and everything, so that's very difficult for a beginner as an affiliate marketer. So you will just make landing pages and link it to the pins, and if your pin is good enough and extremely attractive, people will go to your landing page, and if they want to buy your product and actually buy your product, you get commissions. So there is a high likeliness that you can get a conversion from Pinterest. So without any delay, let's start guys. Alright, so I will be using Google Sites to make my landing page. It's totally free and it's a very straightforward landing page maker. So if you haven't already signed up, you can sign up and this page will appear. Okay, so here it is. We'll create a landing page from blank, so just click on blank. And just so you know guys, today I will be using ClickBank to promote my product, and the product will be the 12-minute affiliate system. Okay, so whatever information that we are going to post in our landing page, we'll get it from the affiliate page. So if you open this link in a new tab, you will go here. Okay, so there's all the materials and tool that you need to promote as an affiliate marketer for the 12-minute affiliate system. So we'll just give it a title, the 12-minute affiliate system. Okay, and then include a layout, and in the layout we'll post information, whatever information they are providing from the affiliate page. So if you actually go to this link here, you can see they have posted a lot of information. Alright, so we'll just copy and paste all of this in our landing page. So first of all, go back to the first page and let's see what information from here we can copy. Yeah, we'll just copy this information in our landing page. You can, and just remember guys, just you have to post valuable information about the product that the when the customer reads it, they will be convinced enough to buy it. So this is a very convincing information, so we can use it in our landing page. Okay, just click Control V here. Okay, instead of here, you can just put it here and reduce the size. Okay, and for the text, you just copy all of this. Just click Control C, come back, and paste it here. Control V. Alright, so now we have to get some images. We'll use the image only. Here it is. We save it. Save image as. Just click on save. Go back and paste it here. Okay, so it's not appearing on downloads. Show in folder. Copy it. Come to desktop. You can just paste it somewhere. Okay. Now we'll upload that image. Here. Just upload this image. So our landing page is almost ready, guys. So we'll just put some more information here. Get another layout and use the information from the landing affiliate page to use in our landing page. Okay, so this much information and our landing page will be complete. Just click Ctrl V. Here, looks amazing. Delete this part and I will just post the same image. You can post any image related to affiliate marketing and upload it to your landing page. I will be using the same image. Okay, so here it is. So this is what our landing page looks like. Pretty convincing. So we have posted all the important information about the 12-minute affiliate system, and the only thing left is a background. So we can upload a background too. So we can go to pixels. Alright, and choose some images for our landing page. Let's see, affiliate marketing. Guys, Pexel is a platform where you can get images for almost everything and every product. So you can, and it's all for free. So you can use Pexel for any images related to any products, right? So we'll just use any image. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we'll just use this one for the time being now. Go to a landing page and upload it. Downloads. Here. Okay. And now the most important thing, guys, we have to post our link in this landing page. So if the customer is convinced enough to buy the product, he or she will click on the link and then go to their landing page and buy your product. Okay, so it's done. Now the only thing left is a button. For posting our link, just click on button and we'll just give it a name like sign up now and post our link. Go to ClickBank and click on the promote button. So just click on generate hop links and copy the link. Okay, the link is copied. Go back to your page and just paste it. Here, link is pasted and our button is ready. Just post it here. Somewhere down here. Yeah, that's it. And we'll post another button at the bottom of the page. Same thing. Sign up now and click on the link. So just click Ctrl V and it's there. Enlarge your button and you can also change the theme. Right now it's simple. It can be anything. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just go with level. Okay, our landing page is complete. Let's publish it. We give a name like 12-minute affiliate system. Okay, and publish. Okay, our landing page is published, guys. So all we need to do now is go to Pinterest and post a pin. Before that, go to canva.com, guys. So we'll be creating our pin right here. Okay, so just type in Pinterest. Just sign up for Canva, guys, because it is important for creating our pin and it's totally free. Just click on Pinterest pin, and these are all the pro versions of the pins. We'll use just a free one. Okay, let's use this one. And let me tell you guys, the 12-minute affiliate system is a very good course. It contains A to Z of affiliate marketing, alright. So as you can see there, students are earning thousands and thousands of dollars in commission. So you can do this course. It's only for $9.95. It's very cheap. It's a worth it investment that you can completely make. Okay, some like you can see last 70 is $71, like last 30 days $95. Every one of the student is earning good money, guys. So just you can go and purchase this course. The link is in my bio. They teach everything A to Z about affiliate marketing in a very simple manner, and I'm sure you can get a lot of conversions like the earlier students after doing this course. So check out the link in my bio and go purchase the course now. It's a very effective course, guys. So let's go back to Canva here, and we'll change this image. Okay, detach it, and we'll just upload the image that we downloaded now, the book image. Okay, so go to desktop. Yeah, we'll upload this. Okay, just drag and drop it here. Just enlarge the size of the image a little bit, and put some text here. Add a subheading and write something like the 12-minute affiliate system teaches you A to Z of affiliate marketing and helps you get conversions. Alright, so our pen is ready. Okay, you just simply download it. So we did two important things. The first thing, we made the landing page. Here it is. Okay, we have published it. We can get our link here. And next, we used Canva to create a pin. Now the final part, the most important part. Let's go to Pinterest and create this pin. Just sign up for Pinterest. It's totally free, and create your account, and then go to create and create pin. Okay, so I'll just drag and drop the pin that I created here. You see, the pin is created. Add some catchy text like earn money with affiliate marketing now. Okay, and just copy and paste some information about this course here. Just copy this information from the affiliate page and go back here and paste it in the Pinterest description. And the most important part, guys, don't forget to add your destination link. The destination link is the link of our landing page. So let's go back to our landing page. Here, get your link and click on copy link. Go back to Pinterest and paste it here. Okay, so our pin is ready. So our pin is ready. We have posted our pin that we did from Canva. We posted our landing page, which is the website link. Okay, that's the most important part of this pin. There is a catchy title. Now our customers will know what the title is all about in our description, and yes, you just need to publish it. Click on publish. So your pin will be published in a moment. Okay, it's published now. Here, so you can see how many impressions you have got. To increase followers, guys, I will post another video in our next session. You can just check it out, how to increase followers on Pinterest. And for now, I'll just tell you, go follow people in your niche. Alright, click on the search button here and just write affiliate marketing or any product you're trying to promote. Just write it here and click on people and follow these people. Alright, these are people in your niche, so every time you post something they can see it, and a lot more people will be able to see your pin as you increase your followers. Alright, and every time you post something people can go to your landing page and buy your product. So that's how you can get a lot of conversions. So that's it for today. Alright, so last thing, if you want to know how you can promote your products and do affiliate marketing using Instagram, do check out my video on how to do affiliate marketing on Instagram, and check out the 12-minute affiliate system. It's a totally worth it course or worth it investment. And that's it, guys, for today. Okay.